Today I have a very cool, very awesome lock for you guys. Is this EVVA intercore system ICS. It's a high security lock with two different mechanisms inside. It's a pin tumbler. There are 3 pins inside, and there is like 10 sliders, spring-loaded sliders, with some of them all of them false gates. This is how the key looks like. EVVA ICS, and then some markings. Something was grinded, maybe some number, and you can see this one. These are the two notches for the pin tumbler. It's a 3-pin lock, 3-pin tumbler lock, or part of the lock, with very odd shape pins, like shark pins in DOM. And these are the notches for all the sliders. I think the sliders has 5 depths, as far as I remember. It's working very nice. And this one has no all the wafers, all the sliders, sorry, are without the false gates, and that was hard to do. I even got, like, how everything started, I got this small one from picking. There were, like, I think 3 or 4 false gates, and I wanted to pick without the false gates. Then I got this ABUS with EVVA inside, and then the key, and then also with false gates, and then eventually I got this one. And I choose to pick this one because it's easy to disassembly from the top. And I think this key and this lock are I put it like the same bidding, so all the keys are working there. So yeah, it's a very nicely done. A lot of drill protection, even inside here there are drill protection, and it's a very, very cool and very tricky lock to pick. Let me rearrange things. I need to put it in the vise, and let's start picking this one. I rearranged things with, now the lock's in the vise. It's a bit of a strange angle, even for me, even for you guys probably, but that's the only comfortable long picking session for me, so I need to do it like this. This is my tangent tool. I mean, 3 tangent tools in one. I will use it like this, and for the picking I will use this multi-pick PN, what is it, PN, come on, focus, does not want to, PN06. The one interesting thing is that this can be and I'm going to pick it tangenting counterclockwise. First I'm going to pick the pins, then the right side, then the left side. So the good thing is that you can isolate them. That's a bit of a easy making things easier. Even this is very high security lock and very tricky pick. So I will start. Hopefully I will not block your view, but this is the best I can do, to be honest. Hopefully I can pick it. So let's see. It's going to be a long session. First, picking the 3 pins. Click from 3. 2 feel set. Nothing from 1. Nothing for 2. Small click from 3. Maybe 2. Wait, what? 1, 2. This is usually easy because all the pins are standard. So I don't know. Now this is giving me an issue. Even this should be the easy part. Yes, click. Now we are all set on the pins. So I don't know if you saw, there was like a small turn in the cord. That means that we are set on that side. So now the right sliders. The right sliders are a bit easier than the left one, in my opinion. They're a bit complicated. The first 2 sliders, they're doing immediately the ping pong thingy. So I'm trying my best to just move them. Eventually we'll try to move them together if it's needed. Depends on the situation that I'm in. And also you can see me moving my pick in a different directions. I mean, that's how I can position my pick and try to pick the sliders. And now I'm trying to force it a bit. I think I already forced 1 and 2. They feel small turn in the core. That means that I think I've set 1 and 2. Now let's go to the next ones. 3 feels set. The 4th one, it's a bit complicated one. So I need to, the pick positioning is always a struggle. One, 2, 5. Let's go to 3 and let's go to 4. Trying to force 4. I think I managed to move 4. Yes. So small terminal core, that's the 4th one. So 1 set, 2 set, 3 fills set, 4, and now slider number 5. That's the 5. Releasing a bit of a tension. I think I dropped, I think, everything. I did set again 1 and 2, but I dropped. Yeah, I dropped 4. And now I think 4 is back. So now again 5. I dropped again. So nice ping ponging. Again 4 is set. So how do again? Oh wow. 1, 2. Usually I can set 4 and 5 in couple of tries, but this is more than couple of tries. That's how it is. It's a very complex lock, very tricky pick. I think now that's set. Did I again? Oh wow. Now we are back to 5. Did I manage now? I think, I'm not sure. I think I said 4. Sorry, 5. 4 set. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. And then 5 is still not set. I think it's back. I don't know. 5 also will set. I think 5 will also feel set, so maybe 4. 4 feels set. I did not feel that that movement of the core. No, I think 5 does not feel set. Maybe now I overset 5. Yeah, I think I overset slider number 5. Putting it back, it's so carting completed. I think now we are back. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that was the turn on the core. I was thinking that the right side is a bit easier than the left one, but I mean, it is what it is. Now we go to the, in my opinion, a bit complicated left side, because it's like pushing it on that way and the tension is on that way. It's very, very complicated in my opinion. 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3, it's binding. Click from 3. 4, 2 clicks from 4. Let's see what is 5 saying. In this side, I think 5 for me is the most complicated one, because it's the one that needs to be set lowest, and the problem is that it's doing ping-ponging with, I think, with ladder. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, before it's binding. Now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is free floating because something is not set properly, probably. I think is set. Small turn on the core. That means that I'm in, yeah, in a deep fall set. I think now 1. Try my best not to drop. Yeah, I dropped 5. So let's go back again to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think now 1 is set. 2 okay. 3 okay. 4 okay. 5. I don't know. 5 is somewhere there. Yes! Finally! Open. Very, very cool. Finally, after a couple of attempts. Ooh. So now everything was a bit strangely oriented for me, but I'm not going to move. I want to disassemble this one, even in this very strange position, but I'll try my best just to move and make things easier for me. Something like this. But we're open. Fantastic. I will lock it back. And first thing that I want to do, I want to remove the pins. So, I mean the key pins. Come on. Let me grab this part. Here it is. Oh wow. Even the springs are a bit different. I don't know why they did it like that. Yeah, but it is what it is. I mean, the last one is stainless steel and everything else is standard. As also you can see, there are these drill protections. They're a different size for some reason. But the key pins, they're all the same. And now I need to remove the C-clip. It's a complicated C-clip for removal. It's not part of the fun. Come on. Finally. C-clip out. For this one I will definitely use this. So the best thing is to do is to grab the key. Oops, the bottom pins are, and then grab everything. So this here, and let's start removing the pins. Here are the pins, they're like shark-like pins. and they're pretty cool ones. I need to move everything like this and then move these springs up, so I will have place to for the sliders. Now wait, how did I do this? So here are the sliders. Here's the first slider, and I want to remove the second one. Here's the second one. With all the notches, everything is there. So I'm out of camera. Unbelievable. So now the sliders, I'll remove the key, and then how did I pick like this? So these are from the right side, all the sliders. Come on, slider. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are all the springs also. Hopefully you can see them. And okay, so this is 2, this is 5, 1, 2, and 3. And they're all the, here is the core, everything is there. Here is inside, I need to focus, everything is there. So this is here, I don't need this, I need to focus there. So you can see they're all the finger pins, sliders, sorry. I'll try to orient it in a way that you can see the notches, and I specifically try to pick this one without any false gates. So you can see all of them, they have one gate, one true gate, and a lot of false gates. So hopefully you can see this. Here, like all of them, they have like only one notch, and if I grab one of them, you can see, hopefully I will focus here, you can see also the false gate here and here. Come on, folks. So this is the true one, and that are the false ones. So yeah, this was a very interesting, very long video, but now finally I picked it on camera after a couple of tries. The EVVA ICS intercore system, I think, made in Austria. So I hope this was fun. It's a bit longer video, but it was a very cool one that I was able to pick it on camera. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.